Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about how to use ChatGPT for writing your research article, UG report, or thesis writing. Okay. For that, you go to Google Chrome and then just to type GPT, and then you can see the first link. Just go to click the first link, and then you can click this try ChatGPT. Okay. After that, you can see this detail. Okay, this is the chat GPT window. Here you can key in your details. So here I'm going to explain with some example for like a simple article writing. For that I'm going to use some concept that means title called feed forward decoupling control for grid connected PV system. So in the title we have to write the article. For that we have to collect the supporting document or supporting report from that ChatGPT for writing article. Here I am going to type here. Here you can see that in this respond you can type your detail here. Here I am going to type provide outline for writing research article on feed forward decoupling control of group connected EV system. After typing this one, you can see here they will provide some background or outline for writing research article. Here you can see that they provide the some subtopics. Here you can see that introduction, background of grid connected photovoltaic system, overview of decoupled control strategies, purpose and objective of research. And then here you can see that literature review on grid connected photovoltaic system, operation configuration, challenge and limitations, and decoupled control strategy, overview of decoupled control, different type of decoupled control, different types of that an advantage and limitation of decoupled control. And then you can enter chapter section. They will provide different kind of detail. Here you can get the overview of that research article or overview of your thesis report. Right. In this manner, you can prepare your research article. First, I'm going to start with introduction. So here, I'm going to take this line. That means I'm going to copy this 3 point. So and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to type please provide detail on above topic. Just I'm going to type. After that here they will provide the detail, the background of the portal system, and then overview of decoupled control strategy. Everything they will provide. After getting the detail, just you go to take that means just you copy that and paste it in a Word document. Here I'm going to type continue. Here they will provide the overview of decoupled control strategies. Like that they will provide them detail, and then purpose and objective of research. Here you will see that the document, that means it's a basic document. We can get the more detail about this background on grid connected photovoltaic system or decoupled control strategy, and then objective research according with the your topic. I'm going to copy this one. I need to check the plagiarism, whether the chat GPT provide free from plagiarism or not. For that, I'm going to copy this document for checking that plagiarism, and then here I'm going to copy this topic, and then here I'm going to paste it. Next, I'm going to take literature survey. Here I'm going to copy this one, copy this, and then here I'm going to provide literature survey on written photovoltaic system with at least any research article list with at least 10 research article. Right. Then what happened? Here you can see that I asked about the 10 research article, but they will provide some relevant article regarding that grid connected photovoltaic system. Here you can see that it will provide some relevant articles. So you can ask article relevant to any topic. They will provide the detail. Here you can see that the article always relevant to that grid connected PV system. You can check the detail also. It will provide already 9 reference. So you can see that the reference paper. Here after that you want that summary of this paper. I can take only first 5. Just you take first 5, and here you type please summarize the following research paper, and then you can paste it here. Now we can see that whether what will be going to happen in the chat GPT. Here you can see that here the chat GPT is summarize the each paper, right? We need the summarization for writing it a survey, right? You can ask that summarization of each paper. After completing summarization, you can copy that summarization. I'm going to use this 5 paper summarization. If you want more summarization, you can take that different paper and then you can fill the detail here and then you can take the summarization of that paper. You can use that detail for writing well literary survey. The summarization is completed. Here I am going to copy this detail and then paste it in an Word document. Next, the title is focus on feed forward control. This is about a literary survey. Here you can see that they provide different kind of detail. That means challenge is limitation. Right? You can type provide detail on challenge and limitation of grid connected and feed forward decoupling control grid system and then overview of decoupled control. You can provide the question and then you can type your actual requirement. Then it will provide the detail. You can check the detail correctly. Or else you copy the detail in the Word document and then you can read it and then you can make some correction if this detail is not correctly. Next I'm going to going on that more facility and feed forward decoupling control. I'm going to ask mathematical modeling of feed forward decoupling control of group connected PE system. Here please provide elaborate service is just type please elaborate mathematical modeling of after that just to type here they will elaborate about the feed for decoupling control concept for connected PV system. After completion of that answer you can copy the detail and paste it in a Word document because we need to check the plagiarism should be less than 20% for research paper and thesis writing or thesis report. We need to check that detail whether ChatGPT provide the plagiarism is less than 20% or not. Here you can see that you will get the elaborate detail of straightforward decoupling control. You will get the answer now. Now we can copy this one and then you can save it here. After that, I'm going to ask the mathematical equation. Mathematical equation for feed forward decoupling control of connected PV system. So here you can see that it will provide as much detail relevant to the question we are asking. Here you can see that it will provide some detail. We can check this detail whether that equation is relevant to this that particular question or not. Maybe I'm checking that the equation is somewhat relevant. Okay, if you want any more specific detail, you can ask that one. In feed forward decoupling control, normally we are using, we will use that DQ control concept only. So here you can see that they didn't provide that DQ control concept. They simply providing some voltage control detail and current control detail. That's why. But next time you have to provide some detailed question with the decoupling control concept. We will check that detail again. Here I'm going to again copy this equation and then here I'm going to paste it here with the DQ control. Now I included that time DQ control. We will check the detail again. Here you can see that it will provide some detail. I reference T equal I reference cos theta sin theta. IPV direct equal to IPV cos theta PV. Angular current, the point of common coupling voltage and the axis. It will provide some equation. I think is somewhat as per my knowledge is it will provide some relevant detail only. After that you can change something. You can change in that equation whatever detail you required. It will provide the detail whatever we are asking and I think now you can copy this one. Here I'm going to copy and paste it here. This is detail about feed forward control logic. So next time you to asking like that we can ask the detail and then you can get several that mean report relevant to your questions. Next process we need to check whether it having plagiarism or not. For that I'm going to saving this document is chat GPT and then I'm going to check the plagiarism. Here I'm going for targeting. Here I'm going to check the plagiarism. Here I'm going to submit the document chat GPT and then I'm going to take the document from here That is that. Second, I'm going to save as document. Here I'm going to save. Next, I'm going to turn it in, and then I'm going to select that file. Here I'm going to select this file, and then I'm going to upload, and then I'm going to confirm this one, and then I'm going for returning to assign the list. We will check the result of that plagiarism from the chat GPT. Here you can see that we are getting almost 33%, right? Somewhat that will provide 33 percentage out of I think how many pages, how many words in that document. Here you can see the totally 1477 words. That means calculator 0.33 into 1477. Around 500 words is plagiarism. That means maybe that detail are very basic one. We cannot find that mean any other name for grid connect photovoltaic system or some other words. These are the basic words or standard word we are using for writing any articles. This detail can be modified easily by using any online paraphrase tool. Or else you can easily you can change the active voice to passive voice like that. You can change that one, and then you can easily relive this detail. I think by using this chat GPT, we can get the detail for writing your such article as well as thesis report. Kindly use this option effectively for research writing, research paper writing, and the thesis report. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.